Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Vickie. Happy birthday to you. Yes, sir. I got me a little old birthday cake surprise going. This here's gonna be the chocolate buttercream yellow cake, mother of all cakes. Yeah. Get this here. This ain't how the directions says to do it. This is how Pawpaw directing is. I thought I would go ahead on and get them eggs off nice and fluffy like that. See? I'm gonna put it through the sifter like that. See? Run it through the sifter. Give it hell, Pawpaw. But you know, they say the key to making money on YouTube is to make long videos. Don't make little 3-minute short videos that everybody can be happy with and nobody will be bored with. Make 30-minute videos, and that way YouTube will key in on that if they think that your shit's good. You know, if you think your shit's baloney, they won't do anything. I may go ahead on and, but so far I hadn't made shit off of YouTube. If you think you're gonna make money off of it, I've done made over 1,000 videos and I ain't got a dime from them yet. But I said, well, we're gonna make my wife a pretty cake. I've seen a lot of cake making stuff on YouTube. I really appreciate YouTube. If YouTube don't never give me a nickel, I will not be sad in the least, on account of it's educational. It's real friggin' educational. Look at here. You got to stir it like that. Get all that powder out there. It'll all go every damn where if you don't. Let's see. It must be something else needing to go to this because it don't look like enough. Let's see. Oh yeah, 1 cup of water. Okay, Pawpaw. Let's put 1 cup of water. Not just any water. I'm going to put some nice filtered water through the refrigerator door. Nice clean water. There we go. Now that's looking like it might be a hair better. Cup of water. See, you got to go by the directions sometimes. Brought to you by DeWalt Redneck Baking Products. Look at that, how nice. Get all that. Get her all up. Get her dead. This is also brought to you by the friendly folks on Facebook. Cooking Gadgets for Men. I would say this here DeWalt 20-volt max drill qualifies for a good cooking gadget. Now let's see what the instruction says. It says, mix cake mix, water, oil, and eggs in large bowl on medium speed. Let's see here. Beat vigorously for 2 minutes. Alright. Let's see what we got here, Pawpaw. It's looking good, Pawpaw. Yowzer. That sucker looks like it's gonna be a good one right there. I don't believe I'm gonna strain. There. thing, and I'm gonna use my. Now, how you gonna get an equal amount of this good stuff up in this here? You might want to say, how can you get the equal amount in here? Well, you got to use the ancient Chinese spoon. See, you dibble out a spoonful and put it in there. Now, I've already sprayed this pans down good. And put a spoon here, and put one here, and then you add another here. And you know what I ain't did? I ain't put the oven on to preheat yet. And the stove cooks sideways, so the cakes will be sideways. How many was that in there? How many was that in there? I don't know, I'm all confused. How many went in here? How many went in here? Who wants to lick the bowl? Yes, sir, it looks pretty good to me already, and I ain't even got it cooked yet. Yeah, sir. How do you like me? Let's see what we got to do now. Alright. Go to a 350 degrees for metal, or 325 for non-stick. Well, that ain't no non-stick. I go to, my oven is screwball. It's 99 years, it's as old as me. No. Let's go with 325, because I got a hot oven. Don't want to burn him. Don't want to burn him. So, we will go ahead on and let's see, we go. See, it says bake it for 325. Let it cool for 10 minutes before removing from pan. Oh, and this pan's just got them nifty little doohickeys on, so you can just skeet around like that and get it off. And then we're gonna do the magical buttercream mother of all chocolate icing. I've already got my stick of butter right here. Sweet cream butter. Already thawing out on the counter. We're gonna do it up. Yes, sir. Backing them in with cooked cakes. Hopefully not burnt to hell and back. Alright, so the cakes are done. I've got a little vanilla extract in there already. Here's this butter. It's all mushy and soft. And we'll put a little bit of cocoa powder, a little Hershey's cocoa. About a scoop. It's just best choice. And just mix him up. Good enough to go on the cake already, ain't it? Alright, now got some half and half here. Add just a little tad of that. Just enough to make it go. Clumpy like that. See that? Now, we got our redneck mixing machine. big old mess. Add another little bit more of this. Amping it up. Look at that. Look right there. Yeah. Man. Wow. Look at that. We don't want to get it too soggy. You mess it up, hurry. You'll have to add more powdered sugar, which I don't have. Alright. That looks good enough to me. Jeez. Let's give it a taste. Let's give it a taste. Can't add nothing to it if they ain't got nothing to add. I don't need nothing. That's just right. That is just right. I could have got me a taste since I ain't gonna do no more whipping. Yeah. Yeah, bud. That's good. Now, how the hell you gonna put it on there? Yeah, you got it. Yeah, bud. Put this up in the refrigerator where it goes. Now, let us see here what to do here now. Take this, since it's so screwball looking, look at it. See, can we get it out in one piece? Like that. Put this in here. Put it upside down, see, like that. Mash him down like that, see. Put a dibble dobble of stuff. Got to be careful with that stuff. You got to take something like that right there. And go all the way around. That'll help you get it on there. See that? One more dibble dobble. Like that. See that? That's how you do that. Take this other one here. Come around, mule. Ho! Hold the phone, Josephine. There it is. Now what we need to do is take and put all this in the top part right there. See? Right in the middle. Like that. And then start running this thing around like that. Look at that. Yum, boy, as old JB would say. Come around the sides like that. Here's another gadget you gadget cooking guys can get. $1 at Dollar Tree. Well worth it. Y'all thought that wasn't enough icing. Look at me go. That looks good enough to eat, don't it? Yes, sir. And that's just what they gonna do. They gonna eat it. I ain't gonna eat it. I'm on a diet. I reckon that'll have to do right there. That's just about the best I can do. And I got all of this right here I can lick. Oh boy. But JW, you're supposed to be taking sweeteners. I done wrote off all sugar. Now I just ate a big gob of it. Oh yeah. That'll work. Not. Alright, so that's all that's involved in that. Happy birthday to my wife. She's 59 and holding today. Later, Gators. Love y'all. Mean it. Paw out.